Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going outside to eat barbecue chicken wing. The name of this restaurant is Legend. Here is the location. Please continue your watching how I explore the taste of chicken wing. Finally, our order is arrived. We ordered barbecue chicken wing and egg fried rice. Yes, this is me, who is always happy about food. Actually, I can control my happiness. I like the smell of barbecue chicken wing. This is really nice with the garlic and ginger smell. Egg fried rice is also very tasty. You know, the cover of this chicken wing is very crispy. I'm really satisfied about eating this texture. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.